I don't really like working in the rain very much. It's especially when it hits your back right there, like right at where your shirt collar hits your neck, and the rain goes down underneath your shirt collar, and then it gets down your back, and you're like, it's on my back. It's on my back. I just got off work, and that's ironical that I work for they who shall not be named. Gasoline petroleum industry. I'm converting a Hot Wheels car to fucking electric, alright? My buddy at work told me that I should probably think about showing the process of the build. As you might not be able to tell, it's dark outside. I work at night, but I don't work when it's raining because my car's outside. And I can't really document everything in the best light, but I'll do what I can. So here's what the body panels look like. Not the exterior, but the interior, shit, what are these called? The interior panels, the plastic things. That's what they look like after I spray painted them with a first coat of Krylon Dual, and then 2 to 3 coats of Rust-Oleum. Yeah, the dirt stuff that you see, that's just the pollen and the dust lichen pine needles from sitting outside. I've taken out the passenger chair, the driver chair. This sits too low. I mean, too high. I don't know why, but I've also taken out the carpeting. All of the carpet, as you can see, is gone out of the whole vehicle. It's all gone. So I've left the original bolts here in place. The washers, of course, are rusted on to all of these. When I sat down in this car, it was like my head hit this glass, because what I like to do, I like to slide the butt of the seat all the way to the back and then raise the back all the way forward. That way I'm actually sitting properly. It's like a racing seat. It's like I'm ready to drive. I'm a professional driver, you know? But my head hits the top with that seat right there. So, and this is just a seat cover over a, I mean, it's fairly decent until you get like, oh god, look at that tan, ugly tan. You see what color this is? This is black. You know why this is black? Because it used to be fucking tan. No. Why did everyone in the 80s have such a fascination with tan? Tan. Look at that. Damn. Fucking bullshit. This is good. This is black. This is a good color. Tan. Bad color. Black. Good color. Black. Good color. Tan. Terrible. Tan. Terrible. The carpet was tan. The seatbelt thing is tan. The other seatbelt thing is tan. The other seatbelt thing over there is tan. Where's it at? Right there. It's all tan. That seatbelt thing is tan. That seatbelt thing is tan. That seatbelt thing is tan. It's all bullshit. I'm gonna be painted. Center console here. These were the window controls for the drivers and passengers. This is an aftermarket install, and neither the previous owner of this vehicle nor the guy before that knew what the hell this thing was in here for. So I'm guessing somebody wanted to put a NOS injection system in here, and this was their switch, but what I'm gonna do is turn this into another switch. I'm taking these off and I'm putting these where they belong on the doors, and I'm gonna put some other switches in here. I'm gonna put a manual battery kill off switch here maybe, or I'll put a little pull handle right there. I'll have a power steering on and off mode and a regen braking on and off mode, and a couple of more switches right there. The other thing I'm thinking about is taking the axle off and putting a Tesla drivetrain in the back. If I don't do that, then what I'm gonna do is take the V8 out. I still have to save some money for an engine lift, but once I get that, take the manifold and the whole V8, take the V8 out and put in a Hyper 9 or a Curtis AC50. One of those three motors, a Tesla drivetrain, Hyper 9, or a Curtis AC50, is gonna be the motor in this vehicle. Now I'm gonna do some grinding. And then that's about as much time as I usually have to work on these projects before work. That was 20 minutes. That there, my aim is to get this exhaust pipe off. So what I wanted to do was see if it was strong enough to cut through this this brace right here, and I've almost gotten through. Yeah, but again, it's almost time for work. I work from 4 p.m. to midnight, so yep.